to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Voonex Sound Element Duo. Now these are a pair of truly wireless earbuds. They retail for less than 50 bucks. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Taking a look at the box. On the back of the box you have the specifications. So you have the model Element Duo, Bluetooth 5.0, the range of 15 to 20 meters. They are waterproof IPX7. They have a 50 milliamp battery for the earbuds and a 2000 milliamp battery for the case itself. These last about 5 hours on a single charge, and it takes about 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds. The case takes about 2 to 3 hours. Really fast considering it's a 2000 milliamp. Get into this. Nice black box. So on top you just have a user manual, probably customer support. So you have what's in the box, charging statuses, how to charge it, how long it takes, how to pair it, very clear instructions, and then you also have controls. Right here you just have a thank you, and then it'll show you how to register for warranty. For the earbuds, wow, these look nice. These are really premium looking. For the charging status, on left, right, and the case itself. On the right side you have a Type-C charging port or to charge a device, so you can charge your iPhone or Android or anything else in general. On the top you have the logo, really nice. Obviously this is made out of aluminum. It's really portable. Wow, these are cool. You have an aluminum border around here and it shines in the light. It looks pretty cool, as you can see. So really nice. And then on top right here, you probably can't see it, but it says Voonex Sound, as you can see. It's very subtle, but you can see it. Okay, so they kept connecting to my phone, so sorry about that. Anyways, you have right and left branding on the bottom of the earbuds. Polycarbonate build, pretty nice. They have LED indicators for them to pair and charging status. The magnets on these are actually really good. They put in really well. And it says an in and output right here and left and right charging statuses. So you have full control over this, and I just love that magnetic clasp. Anyways, in here you also have the accessories. So first you are greeted with silicone tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable. And then lastly, this is something I've never seen. You have an OTG, or technically a adapter for Type-C. What you can use this for is if you have, say, an Android or an iPhone and you have the USB port and you need to charge your phone. This doesn't have a USB port, and for fast stable charging they included this, so you can plug it into the actual case itself, use the USB if you have that, and then you can charge your phone or whatever. You can also use it as a fast charging method to charge the earbuds. That's pretty much everything that's in the box. Really nice presentation. So this is my overall review. So I did my typical testing for these earbuds. I did a stereo test, a low latency test, a deep bass test, as well as a low, mids, and highs. Now the lows, mids, and highs, the clarity overall is really, really good. There's just perfect amount of bass. It's not too much, not too little. Perfect amount of bass. Clarity overall is amazing. I really do like these earbuds. These are new. They're the best earbuds for 2021 under 50 bucks. Number one, because obviously it's a power bank, good for travel. Durability is good because it's an aluminum case. You won't be breaking these anytime soon. Magnetic clasp is really good. They easily connect to your phone. The sound quality is amazing, especially for the price, and they fit well in the ear. Touch sensitive buttons, so you don't have to push them in your ear and hurt your ear or whatever. Good battery life. So far it says 5 hours on a single charge, and I've gotten so far around 2.5 hours, and it barely dropped about 20%. Yeah, overall really good pair of earbuds. I really do like them. I'm gonna go and keep doing more testing of this. I'm not gonna end the video because I want to show you guys charging a device with this. I'm pretty sure you could probably get, it's more of like an emergency charge, so I'm pretty sure you can get about 50% on an iPhone. We'll see. Alright, so it's 12 o'clock. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick charge of this. Get the OTG cable, plug it into the actual earbuds, and then the phone to plug it in, and it'll start charging. See, it says charging. So in about 10 minutes, since my phone's almost fully charged, or basically until it's fully charged, we'll see how much percent we can get out of this. The earbuds are at 99%. Alright, we are fully charged. It dropped about 10% on the actual earbuds slash power bank. Charged, I think it was at 87%, so 13% in 10% of the power bank. So that's really, really good. Pretty typical. It charged decently fast. For an OTG, using an OTG, that's actually pretty good. But if it was like a type C to type C, then it would be probably a lot faster. I have to test it on iPhone as well, but for now, it is actually pretty good. So, and like I said, you don't have to use it like a power bank. You can use it just normally and have a super long battery. But if you like to use it as a power bank, as an emergency power bank, then you can do that. So really cool. Overall, really like it. Perfect pair of earbuds. I really do like them. They go in the best category because they're super good. You're paying a really good amount of money for a high quality product. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I do recommend this. Links are in the description if you'd like to purchase, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.